Hi, welcome to this tutorial on setting up agent allocations. Agent allocations is the holding of rooms for a specific time frame for an agent, and those rooms will then not appear on the calendar, and the agent can mark it confidently knowing that they will have the rooms available to them. When we set those rooms up, obviously we'll decide on the release periods, and we'll look at that in more detail as we go through this tutorial. To set up agent allocations, we need to move to that particular agent, and that will be under contacts. Find a contact, and let's choose an agent and select one of these. For move to agent, let's click on agent. Let's click on allocation, and we have a blank screen. Now let's go and add new at the top left. Click on new. What we have in front of us now is termed the allocation header. It dictates and describes the terms and conditions of that allocation. Here we can now give the allocation a name, and it can be styled to your liking. Sky Safaris 2015 high season. Agent contact, we could, if that was the contact, put that in. And a rate, not necessarily required, but we can put that in if you choose to. The commission will just be reflected. Allocation note. Okay. If there was an agent reference, we could put that in. Now, we have on this allocation header, very importantly, the decision to make: is this an expiry lead time or is an expiry date? So most set up with an expiry lead time because you want to get that room back, and typically they would be between 60 and 90 days. Let's say this one will be 60 days. And we will save this, the allocation header. We've now got an instruction to define at least one allocation item, and that is here we will select which accommodation type to give, and the period is from the 1st of January 2015. Just add that on. So this allocation date is then from the 1st of January and departing on the 1st of February. Not in on the night of the 1st, but departing on the 1st of February. 31 nights, one room. Let's save that. There we go. Let's now go and make a quick booking for this agent to see how it works. Having set the actual allocation up for that agent, we can now proceed to do the booking. Before we do that though, we have set this up to automatically draw down, and we would now like to set it so that the user who's making the booking can actually draw down. Let's have a look how that happens. We'll go to the contact, which was the agent. Click there, and that's where we set up the allocation. But let's go back, and here we will see on the details, allocations, allow internal users to select allocations. Let's check that box and then save and close. Now we will be able to allow drawing down at the user discretion. Let's go and do a booking then. Sky Safaris, okay, and we will go into January 2015. There we are, and we'll do a booking. Here we go. So we want one room, and we come down, and here we can see the allocation has now appeared because we checked the box, allow users to draw down. Come across and click to draw down and create. We'll now see that this reservation itinerary line has been created using the allocation, showing TBA because we're into 2015 where the rates have not yet been set up. point to note though is that if you are within the booking period of 60 days, the release period, then you will not have this option, as that room would already have been released back to the calendar, and one of a normal public rooms will have to be allocated for that agent's booking then.